On the way past Gibraltar, it might be tempting to switch on the data on our phones to get a connection so we can send those WhatsApp messages. But be careful, because just across the sea from Gibraltar is Africa. So we could be connecting to a signal in Morocco. Now, even if we have roaming as part of our phone package so that we don't have to pay extra to use our phone in Europe and so on, connecting to Africa by accident can be very expensive, even for one WhatsApp message. So it's probably better to leave our phone in aeroplane mode while we sail through the Straits of Gibraltar, so we can avoid that shock when we arrive home and see that enormous mobile phone bill. So let's keep the phone costs down and always remember to take it easy.